In this tutorial, you will learn about. Let us see how to code this. This is the test case. We will test small coffee. We will test it like that. We will have a test for the medium coffee. We will have a test for the large coffee. Right now, let us compile this program and see if it works. You can see that we are running CMake and we're downloading our C++ library Catch2. Catch2 is an open source C++ native test framework for unit tests. You can use test-driven development and behavioral-driven development using the latest C++ standard. So in the next video, we will start implementing our code. So that is writing code so that this test should pass. We don't have anything here called medium coffee. We don't have anything called small coffee. This is the proponents of test-driven development, which states that you need to write a failing test, write the minimum amount of code to make the test pass, and refactor the code to improve its design. It goes like this. You write a list of test cases, that's what we just done, and then pick one test, write the code, make it pass. If it doesn't pass, you refactor, just like that. An iterative process. Yeah, this is the design. Let us transform this into code. We'll start by creating a class here called coffee. C++ class, I call it coffee. The good thing with CLion is that when you create a class, it creates both the CPP and the header file. So I'll draw that, the CPP file, into the src directory, as explained before. And if I click here, right click and reload CMake so that everything will be seen. So let me go to the coffee class. We saw in the design that we have an enumeration here. So we create that first. I'll do like that. I'll call coffee size and small, medium, large. And what are the properties that we have for coffee? We have the size, the price, and the volume. So we've created our coffee objects. We have the size of the coffee here. Following our design, we know that we have an enumeration like this, and we have the coffee objects. So we started with creating the coffee objects with all those properties: the size, the price, the volume. We have the constructor, the destructor, and getters. We cannot have setters because these are all constants. And of course, I have implemented all the methods here in the .cpp file. In the next video, I'll show you how we create the other types of coffee: the small coffee, medium coffee, and large coffee, following this design.